no death certification. Death certification, it is important to discuss because in the routine, पहले रूटीन होती थी जस्ट अगर आपने कभी इत्तफाक हुआ हो, hospital they simply write the cause of death is cardiopulmonary arrest. This is not the cause. You are commenting upon the mode. This is not the cause. Whereas in death certificate we have to give the cause. So cardiopulmonary arrest is not the cause, and there is a definite format, and we have to fill that form according to WHO criteria or International Health Organization. So, थोड़ी interesting history है. In 1816, the physicians were not trusted. डॉक्टरों में कोई इतबार नहीं करता था. They were used to call and diagnose death because stethoscope at that time was not invented. So that's why there was great fear of being buried alive. In ancient Rome, वो क्या करते थे? Call out deceased person name 3 times. If no response, they could amputate the finger, and if no bleeding, then they could declare the person dead. So this was the mechanism to declare death. And a clawed forceps. In French physician, they used to apply a clawed forceps to the nipple, and if there was no response, then the person was presumed dead. Then fear to be buried alive. In 14th century, Duke of Lancaster left the instruction that if he dies, his body should be kept for 40 days. And if doctors still believe that I am dead, then I should be declared dead and buried. Similarly, the magic words came. In 1790, they used to write with invisible ink on a mirror and place it in the room of the dying person. And what used to happen? They used to write it with silver nitrate, and the decomposition gases, they used to come out, and silver sulfide was produced, and silver sulfide was then visible. So जब उनको कंफर्म हो जाता था कि ये अब पुट्रिफैक्शन स्टार्ट हो गई, तो अब ये मर गया. Then पेटेंट कॉफिन अलर्ट. लोगों ने कॉफिन ख़रीदना शुरू कर दिया कि अगर बरी भी हो जाए ग्रेव के अंदर और अंदर कोई उठ जाता है, जिंदा हो जाता है, तो एक अलार्म बजेगा और लोगों को पता चल जाएगा कि ही इज़ अलाइव. सो पेटेंट कॉफिन केम. If the death was misdiagnosed, it presumed that the person, if awoke, a device was rigged to light a lantern, raise a flag, and ring a bell. So an equipment was fixed which used to declare the person is alive, patent coffin alerts. But the invention of stethoscope naturally decided, and the physician then were trusted for diagnosing death. In 20th century, 12 years girl, she underwent tracheostomy and put on ventilator. So एक नया दौर शुरू हो गया कि you can maintain life with artificial supportive measures. So that created the cardiopulmonary criteria, and this was another case where the person developed the brain injury. He was put on the ventilator, but artificial life was maintained for many months. When at autopsy, the brain has been liquefied, decomposed. So this was the unlimited support. So the brain death, the concept of brain death came that you should certify the brain stem function. ये नहीं कि अनलिमिटेड टाइम के लिए डाल दें. सो द हार्वर्ड ब्रेन डेथ कमेटी, उसने वो क्राइटेरिया जो हमने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में डिस्कस किया, हैव टू एस्टेब्लिश द ब्रेन स्टेम डेथ व्हेन द वाइटल सेंटर्स of the brainstem, they are not functioning, the person should be declared dead. Now the death certification. The certification, as it's our routine job when we are attending hospital, and a critical patient when undergoes death, we have to certify death and issue the death certificate. So death certificate is the most important legal document, and it should be prepared very carefully. And in normal routine, I have told you that they used to write previously cardiopulmonary arrest. This is not the cause. This is the mode.
If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to receive all the notifications. And my channel name is Dr. Javed Iqbal Kokar Lectures on Forensic Medicine.